Good day, guys. Come back. So let's take a look at what to be expecting on our AUDUSD. So make sure you click that subscribe button if you've not done that yet, so you will not miss out on any single update. Now, click on the bell notification. So once I drop an update, instantly get the update. Now let's take a look at our AUDUSD. So if you zoom it out, you can see that we are clearly this is our current trend, and AUDUSD is a trend to the upside. It is trending to the upside. But if you are to zoom it out, which is a full overall bigger picture, we are on a downtrend move. But since we want to predict what markets will be doing for the next day, we would be making use of this our current trend, which is a trend to the upside. Now let's take a look at this on the forward time frame, which means we will go to the forward time frame. And you can clearly see that on our forward time frame, market is very much bullish to the upside. So let's start here. Quick analysis. If this is our high, here's our higher low, then here comes the higher high. Market give us an higher low. This is also an higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high. Here is our higher low. So our next movement on AUD/USD, which is AUD/USD, should be a bullish move that will eventually give us a new higher high. So our next movement on AUD/USD, or on what we should be anticipating next on AUD/USD, is a bullish move that will eventually give us a new higher high. So we would only go bullish if we get the buy setup. Remember, we would only take the buy if there is a buy setup. As long as we do not find the buy setup and we do not see the buy setup, we would not be buying. We would only buy once we see the buy setup. And let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So this is still pulling back. This is just the pullback pattern. So we are likely going to be looking for the buy setup around here. And the buy setup will most likely going to be out during the London section. So London section, let's see what it does. If we can't find it in London section, probably we should be able to find it in our New York section. And if we do not find it also, then I'm going to give you guys an update and let you guys know what markets will be doing. So all you just have to do is subscribe so you don't miss out on the updates.